Brand new, move in ASAP with units all over Singapore. Are you looking for a Subsale unit? All you have to do is ask Kente, Clementi, Tampines, Bukit Timah, Hougang, Potong Pasir, Eunos, Buona Vista, Orchard, and today, Outram. Why buy a Subsale unit? Number 1, first year, the developer will take care of all your defects. No headaches for you. Number 2, you don't have to rent extensively to wait for a new home. Already almost ready. And lastly, and most importantly, number 3, when your neighbors collect keys, right, they'll rent at a high rental yield, and your prices will go up. Today at One Pearl Bank, we're selling a studio unit. This unit type already fully sold. The last one sold by developer was in September 2022 at 1.234 million. Now, the studio unit I have for you is 431 square feet, same size, at only 1.25 million. North facing, Greenery view. Next to Outram Park MRT with East-West line, Thomson East Coast line, North-East line. Hey, look at me. One Pearl Bank still got 2-bedder, 3-bedder, 4-bedder and penthouses waiting for you. I'll see you.